Windows, the unsung heroes of our homes and businesses, often bear the brunt of all of the elements. While some may believe that window cleaning is reserved for the warm, sunny days of spring and summer, the reality is that keeping windows pristine is a year-round commitment that brings numerous advantages. Weather-Defying Technology. Modern window cleaning has evolved, and we can now combat various weather conditions with the advent of water-fed pole systems. These systems allow us to clean windows efficiently in rain, snow or shine. The purified water used in these systems ensures a streak-free finish no matter the weather, leaving your windows crystal clear. Safety first. Unlike traditional methods involving ladders, the water-fed pole system prioritises safety. Eliminating the need of ladders minimises the risk of accidents, providing a safer environment for the technicians and your property. This approach is especially crucial in the winter when icy surfaces can turn routine tasks into hazards. Consistency in results. The water-fed pole system ensures consistent results regardless of the season. This technology reaches high and difficult to access windows, providing a thorough clean every time. Say goodbye to unevenly cleaned windows or spots that are challenging to reach. The water-fed pole system ensures a uniform shine across all surfaces. Operational continuity. Legitimate businesses understand the importance of operating year-round. Closing shop for winter months isn't a viable option, and as a professional window cleaning service, we are committed to providing our services throughout the year. By doing so, we ensure that your windows remain pristine regardless of the season. Operational continuity. Legitimate businesses understand the importance of operating year-round. Closing shop for winter months isn't a viable option, and as professional window cleaning service, we are committed to providing our services throughout the year. By doing so, we ensure that your windows remain pristine regardless of the season. Customer satisfaction guarantee. Quality service is at the heart of our operations. We stand by our work offering a customer satisfaction guarantee. This commitment underscores our confidence in our cleaning methods, effectiveness, and the result's longevity. Whether winter, spring, summer, or autumn, our dedication to customer satisfaction remains unwavering. Enhanced curb appeal. Clean windows contribute significantly to the overall aesthetics of your property. Maintaining this cleanliness year-round enhances curb appeal, leaving a positive impression on visitors, neighbours and potential clients. A well-maintained exterior, including sparkling windows, reflects positively on the property's care and attention to detail. Prolonged window lifespan. Regular cleaning keeps windows looking their best and extends to their lifespan. Dirt, grime and environmental pollutants can accumulate on window surfaces over time, leading to deterioration. By addressing these issues promptly through consistent cleaning, you contribute to the longevity and functionality of your windows. Health and well-being. Clean windows allows for more natural light into your living spaces and workspaces, positively impacting health and well-being. Maximising natural light is crucial, especially during the winter months when daylight hours are shorter. Clean windows ensure that you make the most of available sunlight, creating a brighter and more inviting indoor atmosphere. In conclusion, choosing to clean windows year-round with a water-fed pole is a strategic and beneficial choice. This approach not only overcomes weather challenges, but also prioritises safety, guaranteeing consistent results and contributes towards your property's overall appeal and longevity. As a business committed to excellence, we understand that our services are essential throughout the year, ensuring that your windows remain a clear and beautiful part of your surroundings, regardless of the season.